In this video, I will be solving the frontAgain problem of the String-1 section. Here is the 5 seconds break for you to pause and attempt this problem on your own. Alright, let's read the problem statement. Given a string, return true if the first two characters in the string also appear at the end of the string, such as edited. So, in the frontAgain method, we will be given a string str and we need to return true in case the first two characters of the string str also appear at the end, or basically the first two chars are equal to the last two chars. So if we see, in case of edited, both ed appears at the front and the last as the two characters, hence true is being returned. If we see with edit, the first two characters are ed and the last two are it, which are not equal or same, hence false is being returned. If we see the third example, which is ed, here the first two characters are also ed while the last two characters are also ed, hence once again the result is being returned as true. So we can divide this problem in two sections. In case we get the string whose length is less than 2 characters, in this case the result is always bound to be false, because there is nothing to check, or there is no such concept of first two or last two characters. So whenever we will be getting str such as a or empty string, we will be returning the result as false. What if the length of the passed string is greater than equal to 2 characters? In this case, we can go ahead and test our condition, that is whether the first two characters and last two characters match or not. And if they match, then we return true, and else we return false. Now the question comes, how can we check this condition? It's quite simple. So let's try to understand it with ed only. Suppose the passed string is ed, whose length is 2. We extract the first two and the last two characters of the given string. To extract the first two character, we write string first two or front is equal to str dot substring starting from 0 and going till 2. These are the first two characters. To extract the last two characters, what we can write? We can write str dot substring, and if the length is captured in a variable called len, then we can write str.substring and start our substring from len minus 2. Since here the length is 2, len minus 2 will give us 0, and once again the last two characters will be also computed as ed only. And now we can simply return front dot equals bat. Let's also try to study it with different example. 3, 4, 5. Yes. So once again, the front will be nothing but starting from the 0 till 2. Let me write it properly. ETITED, and yes, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First two characters will be again ed only in this case. And to compute the last two, we use len minus 2. 5 minus 2 will give us 3. And if we start a substring from 3, we get once again ed only. So in this case, in this way, we can solve this problem. Let's use this code and solve it now. So int len is nothing but str.length. If len is less than 2, in this case, we can straight away return false, because there is no chance of getting the last two characters or first two characters in such a case. Else we write this logic and remove this line from here. Yes. So now let's run the test cases and verify. All of the test cases pass. Now let me submit this code on the platform. Working fine. And also push the code on GitHub. frontAgain. And verify the code has been uploaded successfully. Done.